I used to trade with all of these on my chart. So I would have the line here. I'd have the line, that's a little bit low. I'd have the line right there. I'd have the line right here. And I would have to keep track of what all of this stuff meant. But you can see with these lines on here, it becomes, well, at least to me, because I'm so used to it. What was it? H, there we go. I know that this is an area I'm looking at for resistance. That this is an area that I'm looking at, depending on where the market is, for support or resistance. And that I'm looking for support here, and then also support down there. So one large area. And then again, down here. Now, a lot of you may be saying, well, you know what, that doesn't leave the market a whole lot of room to move. Well, what I would say to you is look at the market. Look at what the market has done. And by that I mean, look at how the market has moved. So the market puts in a high. It puts in a lower high. It comes back down. Now remember, these lines here are drawn from a weekly chart, folks. I didn't draw these based on the 4-hour. And look what the market did. Boom. Boom. Comes down there, breaks through here, but what does it do? Bounces on this little teeny line, comes here, hesitates, breaks through, finds support, pops up, breaks through again, pops back up, finds resistance, comes back down, boom. Now we have this line moving forward. Then what does it do on the upside? Look at this. Boom. Bangs its head. Comes down. Boom. Bangs its head. Comes down. Hesitates right there. Bumps down. Comes up. Hesitates. Bumps down. Boom. Comes down. Finds support. I mean, this is the roadmap. Okay, now I'm not suggesting that we go in here and try and trade every single wiggle here. Okay, that would be insanity, trying to do this. What I'm trying to illustrate to you is that you can trust this stuff. Okay, so let's take it down to the next step. Okay, what we've done on the daily, we've got the logical points. They give us the roadmap. Now, when we go down to the 4-hour, we want to focus on the midterm trend. Because this is what is going to give us the early warning signs for when the trend is going to change. Now, what do I mean by early warning signs? Well, let's look back here. Okay, so the market's moving in a downtrend. It finds support, comes down here, confirms the support, starts to move up. Once the market forms this double top, it had bloody well break out, or you know that this little uptrend here is probably over. Now, the reason why I say probably is because the market may be forming a trading lane. Let me actually put it in. Right there, right there. It's fairly close. Okay? So it may be forming a trading lane, meaning that the market's going to move up, come down, move up here, come down here, and then move up again. So where do we have, these are counter trend types of trades, so we could try and go long down here. Now we're getting into the real guts of trading. Okay, so we've got our plan. We see where the trend is going. We see where the logical points are going. Now, when we have our theory, meaning the market may be trading into a trading lane, which means it'll go up, come down here, this is where we're going to look to buy. What then do we do right here? Well, let's take a look over here. Okay, so what are we looking at? Well, we could be looking at a trading lane. So, let's go ahead. Put this line in. Looks pretty good. We see the market is starting to roll over early here, indicating the momentum is dying off. So, what do we expect to happen?